completed my B.TECH in KISS College of Engineering Technology in the stream of CSC. So I have joined Jspiders in the month of March, and I have taken the Python with data science course. So the trainers which are taught are Python with Rahul sir, and Python programming with Shashwat sir, and Microsoft and Power BI with Mohan sir. So SQL was taught by our Harsha sir and Harsha sir. So I have got placed in this company. So they have created 5 types of sessions: mock, grooming, programming, and aptitude. Mock is very helpful for us for communication. So grooming help us to what company they taught. Grooming will help us. So programming is very help us in more and more accept. So thank you for Jspiders and Punjagutta for giving this opportunity to me.